Hi. Today we're going to tell you about the reasons your Google Merchant Center account is suspended, and how our Google Partner team can help you with this question. Let's get started. What are the reasons behind Google Merchant account suspension? You are selling the copyrighted products. Avoid your account suspension by attaching an authorization form for selling every copyrighted material on Google Merchant Center. Non-compliance with shopping ads policies. You will receive a warning email if your products are not in compliance with the policies of Google Ad. You are misrepresenting yourself or your products. If you make false claims about your product, includes misleading promotions, falsely associate with an authority, omit important information about your product, your store might get listed as inappropriate by the shoppers. You have not mentioned the refund policies clearly. If you have not mentioned refund policies clearly, and customers are facing difficulty in finding out it, Google might consider an account suspension. You are using unsecured checkout. Always make sure that you are using a secure processing server while using this platform so that customers' data can be kept safe. To avoid the situation where your account is suspended due to the usage of unsecured checkout, you can mention in the form on Google Merchant feed that you are using secured checkout. This is all from our side. We hope you got a fair amount of ideas regarding the reasons behind the account suspension on Google Merchant Center. Note, we have mentioned the remedies for suspension along with the reasons. Do follow them to resolve the issues you're facing. Hope you found the information useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our videos with other great Google marketing solutions for your business. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.